In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of Ghanaians' favorite breakfasts of all time, OBLAYO, also known as EYOO. Yes, and just look how creamy our OBLAYO is. Alright, let's jump right in. So guys, you really don't need much for this recipe, okay? With me here is my crushed corn. I'm using about 1 to 1/2 cup. Also, it's very dry. So for you to be able to cook it quick, you want to soak it overnight. So what I'm going to do is wash it thoroughly because there are unwanted particles. So make sure you wash them, okay? So I mean washing it 3 times until the water becomes clear. So guys, after washing it 3 times, you can see our water is clear and we are good to go. So I'm going to cover it and let it sit overnight. Then first thing tomorrow morning, we'll come back, then we cook our OBLAYO. So next morning, our OBLAYO is a little bit soft. I'm going to rinse it out again, then we'll start to cook it. And to my new and returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my videos. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join this beautiful family. And thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead to pour it into my pot, add in enough water to cover the corn, about 3 to 4 cups, then transfer it to my stovetop. We'll cover it, then bring it to a boil. So in total, I'll be cooking this for about 45 minutes on medium to low heat until the corn are nice and tender. Just stir occasionally to prevent the corn from burning. So guys, I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes now, and we'll go ahead to give it a quick stir. So I'm going to go ahead to cover it again and continue cooking. I'm adding about a cup of water and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. We'll add more water if it should need more, okay? So our OBLAYO is getting softer and I'm going to let it cook down, then come back to check on it. And once again, stir it in between so that it doesn't burn. So OBLAYO is a tasty Ghanaian breakfast recipe that is filling, warming, and only requires few simple ingredients. So creamy and can be served anytime throughout the day. So give it a try and you will love it. At this point, we'll add in some salt to taste, give it a stir, and continue cooking. So 35 minutes later, the corns are nice and soft. So to my blender, I'm going to add some of the corn into my blender and blend it to get a nice creamy texture. After blending it, we'll pour it back into our pot. I'm going to give it a quick stir and allow it to cook down for about 10 minutes. Just look how creamy our OBLAYO is. So I'm going to add more water, then give it a stir. So for you to have a thick and a creamy consistency, some normally use cornmeal, but for today, I'm using flour, okay? I'm going to go ahead to mix it with some water, then make it very smooth. And once our flour mixture is smooth, I'm going to pour it back into our corn porridge. Then give it a gentle stir. Just look how creamy our OBLAYO is. So I've lowered the stove on low heat and let it cook for additional 5 minutes. Guys, this is so delicious and creamy, and plus it is very nutritious. Just look how perfect our OBLAYO is. If you really like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead to serve my OBLAYO. Bonani, yes, I hope you give this recipe a try because it is so delicious and easy to make. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.